flipping. Let's look at the benefits. Number one, in my view, is profit potential. Successful house flipping can lead to substantial profits in a relatively short period of time, especially in a rising market or when strategic renovations increase a property's value, or you buy very, very cheaply and keep the cost down. Second up, property expertise. House flipping allows an individual to gain valuable experience in investing property renovations, market analysis, working with builders, contractors, subcontractors, possibly a QS depending on the size of the deal. So it enhances your skill set. Third up, hands-on creativity. Flippers have the opportunity to showcase their creativity and design skills by transforming outdated or distressed properties into attractive and more lucrative modern spaces. Number four, quick returns. Compared to the longer term strategies like buy to let, house flipping can offer faster returns, allowing investors and developers to reinvest their profits in further projects or to make more money and take more money for themselves. Number five, market stimulation. By revitalizing and improving properties, house flippers can contribute to the overall improvement of a neighborhood and community and stimulate local property markets, including employment and everything else that comes with it. Profit all at once. I love that. When you sell a property, you get all your profits at the same time because you've obviously realized a gain if you've made a gain, and hopefully you will do. Let's look at some of the downsides. Number one, financial risk. House flipping involves significant financial risk and financial analysis because there's quite a few moving parts, which includes acquisition costs, refurbishment expenses and the time taken to do that, market fluctuations that could lead to selling at a loss, interest rates and the cost of borrowing. All of those things are important. Second up, time and effort. The process of flipping a house can be time consuming and demanding and costly, and there's a need for careful planning, project management and coordination of contractors or subcontractors, and that's not that easy unless you're experienced. And don't leave it to somebody else and say, here you go, fix everything up. It could end up in tears, so you've got to be you got to have your finger on the pulse. Next up, unforeseen issues. Refurbishment projects often uncover unexpected problems or repairs, increasing expenses and potentially impacting the projected profit margin. And jobs sometimes take longer than they ought to, so you want to make sure you address that. Market volatility. Flipping success is closely tied to the property market, and a downturn could lead to property taking longer to sell or selling at a lower price than you anticipated, and your costs could escalate, especially if you've got bridging finance. Competition. The popularity of house flipping has led to increased competition, making it more challenging to find suitable properties at favorable prices because there's so many people jumping on the bandwagon. My favorite one, tax implications. Profits from house flipping are subject to income tax or corporation tax, so you need to make sure that you are planning in advance in terms of your structure and the shareholders and employees and who the profits go to make sure you are tax efficient. Next up is lack of experience. Inexperienced flippers may underestimate costs, overestimate potential profits, take longer to do a particular job, or make poor investment choices leading to a financial loss, and we don't want that. But what makes a property flip successful? To be successful in house flipping, you need to conduct thorough research and have a solid understanding of the local property market and accurately assess potential risks and rewards through proper budgeting, contingency planning and careful execution of refurbishment are vital, in my opinion, for managing the challenges associated with this investment strategy. I believe property flipping's suitability as an investment strategy ultimately relies on your objectives, financial situation, risk appetite, experience, expertise, knowledge and the ability to deliver and execute. Successful flippers often have a keen sense of value and a thorough grasp of the regional property market.